F-250 power stroke. Down from here.
Gotta do it for my day ones.
Customer states wants a front end inspection. You hear something going clank, clank, clunk, clunk, clank, clank, clunk, clunk, clunk. You know what I mean. So this one was pretty easy. Let me turn the camera around and show you. What do you see right here? I think that just happened today. What do you guys think? You think this just happened today? That's impressive. That is impressive. Also got one heck of an oil leak. Takers on where that's coming from. Come over to this side. This one's a little wore out too. Still not as bad as this side. How do you twist that in like that? One of my employees drove this thing down the road too. Holy. There's his clinking. It's definitely power stroking. I think the other bad news is he's gonna need a new axle because that's a little wallered out, so to speak. Well, we might as well check the rest of the U-joints. Well, I'm pretty sure that center support bearing's done for. Basketball. This is one of those vehicles where you just call the customer and it's just easier to have them come in so you can just show them instead of call them on the phone. Pretty sure that might have been ignored for a while. PSA, turn your radio down.
I'm on the way